Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here today. We are of course on Avenue de Mediterraneo. You got the Hotel Bowboy across the road there with the Japanese restaurant underneath. Never tried Japanese, not too keen on fish, but still something I guess I'll try at some point. Very beautiful day today. I am trying to find somewhere with the temperature so I can give you an idea how hot it is. You do of course have the Bulldog across the road as well as the Golden Bull Steakhouse. I think the Golden Bull mainly opens about an evening about 6 o'clock if I remember rightly. Further down is Pizza For You, an Italian restaurant that apparently does some of the best pizzas and pasta. Then of course next door is Monkey Beach, a very chill little bar with some nice drinks and a nice bit of that Benidorm sun. Toy Planet here as well, guys. Some decent prices. Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine, I think that's €42, so not too bad, I guess. Tony Roma's as well. World famous onion loaf, €7.20. Full baby back of ribs, €17.95. 900 gram prime ribeye steak, €37.95. I think that's for 2 people though. So yeah, comment down below if you've been in Tony Roma's before. Let me know what the food is actually like in there. Haagen-Dazs ice cream shop across the road. You're looking for somewhere to get a nice cold treat. Nice sort of designer clothes shop there. Then of course you've got your fish pedal bar. Very nice and very relaxing. Takes a while to get used to it though, guys, but once you're used to it, trust me, it's nice. Little gift shop as well. Very good stuff in there. And of course you do have the M23 pub over there on the corner as well. Another great place down here on Avenue de Mediterraneo to pop in for a quick drink while you're out shopping. Leather shop here as well. Nice leather jackets and all that. Looks quite nice in there actually. So guys, bit of a laugh now. So Benidorm, Mike and Scooter Sood have a present hunting for me the other day, and I've asked for a gold ID bracelet, guys, not realising how expensive they'd be. They found a few smallish ones for about 400 odd euro, but a big chunky one, like one that would probably actually fit me, 7,000 euro, guys. So quite expensive. Gonna end the video here. So hit the like, hit subscribe, see you in the next one.